Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can create your new website using bolt.new and deploy your website to the internet using TinyHost in under 4 minutes. So let's jump into it. I'm on the Bolt website and first I'm going to select React. Now that's going to load up the React project and you can see here it's starting up, and now I'm just going to prompt it to make me a calculator app. It'll go through that and it'll write up all the code really quickly. Bolt's really great at this. It figures out what's needed for a modern calculator application, and then it goes and writes out all the code, and it's doing that right now in TypeScript, which is really nice. Should make it really easy. And once that's all done, we just need to tell it that we want to distribute this to Tiiny. Tiny's really easy to use, and you can see here, here's the calculator. Boom, it works. And we're going to get this ready for Tiiny. So first, we're just going to say, prepare a distribution folder. And it should go ahead straight away and create that distributions folder. So there we go. It's creating all that. And now if I go over to the distributions, it should be right here. All the assets, all the index. So now we're just going to download the project, and you can see here it's downloading. Once you've downloaded the project, you just want to go over to the zip file that it downloads as and extract all. Once you've extracted it, you should see the project folder. Go into that, and you just want to find the distribution. Once you're in there, just right click on the distribution tab, and you should be able to compress it to a zip file. And you can just name it distribution.zip. And now we're just going to go straight over tiny.host. This is a really easy, quick website to get my new website up onto the internet. So now we're just going to upload the file. So you can see here the upload file, and we just want to go to the zip, and we'll drop that right in there. And now I can call the website really anything that I want, Bolt Calc, or I can also change between tiny.co, tiny.site, or I can add a custom domain. So if you've got a custom domain or you want to buy one, you can go here and do that. For now, I'm just going to call it Bolt Calc, and we're going to publish it. So now you can see here, it's uploading. And if we go to the new website, it'll load it all up. You can see here, and the calculator is up and running on the internet. You can share this link to all your friends. And the other thing you can do as well is go over here to the analytics tab. You can see here the analytics of the website. Only one visitor, that was me. And it'll track that really nicely for you over 30 days. You can add filters. It's really easy to use, and it's a really great feature of Tiny.host. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.